tonight you're going to be entertained, but the most important thing we're here to do is raise money. What Crispin does is an incredible thing. He brings together acts and he enables people to contribute to a community that deserves a Labour MP. This constituency needs to be Labour. The people in this community deserve to have a Labour MP. And we're here to make sure by standing with you in solidarity. And standing in solidarity is how we win.
So everybody's so paranoid about immigrants and everybody's speculating about immigrants. People are saying things like, oh no, immigrants don't integrate. I just want to say, my husband is English, I integrate every night. I was going to say sometimes I include him.
Michael, you look like part of a frog's life cycle. And every man on a car or bicycle kneel at the name of Gove, Michael. Thank you.
Can you hear that? That's the fire alarm. No one is moving. And it's a proper old-fashioned fact. Apart from John, John's going to get the book of the stand. Everyone else is sat here. John's like, is it playtime or a fire? I don't know, John. Just get a book of the sand. Let's be safe.